Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we are making very healthy cookies using apples, and the best part is that we'll not be using even a gram of sugar to make these cookies, yet these are very tasty and goes best with 1 cup of milk. So friends, let's quickly see how to make these very simple and very healthy eggless apple cookies. Firstly, we'll take 2 apples. Then we need to peel it and grate it. The grated apple should be approximately 200 grams. In this, we'll add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. We'll mix it well. And into this, we'll add 80 grams of semolina or Suji. This is half a cup of semolina, and for the sweetness we'll be adding soaked raisins. These are 100 grams of raisins which I had soaked in lukewarm water for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then we'll discard the water and we'll only add raisins in this apple semolina mixture. And friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get regular updates of our new recipes. After that, we'll cover the bowl with a cling film and we'll refrigerate for 1 hour. Friends, it's been 1 hour. Now we'll remove the cling film. Now into this mixture, we'll add 1/4 cup of oil. We'll combine it well. And then we'll add our flour. Here I am using oats flour. In total, we have to add 1/3 cup of oats flour. You need to simply grind instant oats in mixer grinder jar. I have already added 1 cup of flour and there goes 1/3 cup more. So in total, this is 130 grams of flour which we have added here. Now with a gentle hand, we'll combine the complete mixture. And there goes 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And combine everything well to prepare our cookie dough. So friends, now we'll transfer our cookie material in a baking dish. So here I have already lined my baking dish. You can use your brownie tray or any other rectangular or square tray to bake your cookies. We'll flatten it up. So friends, you need to level up the material completely. You can see this should be the height of the material. And then we'll put marks in this material before putting it for baking. This will make our process of cutting cookies more simpler. Now it's time to bake it. We'll be baking our cookies at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. So friends, after baking, our cookies are ready. While it is still lukewarm, we'll cut it. These are gluten-free, sugar-free, healthy cookies which you can have with a cup of milk or tea. The sweetness here is imparted by raisins. So we have just added raisins in these. These are mildly sweet but taste really yum. Even you can pack these for your kids' lunchbox and you can carry it for breakfast in office. Just have it with a cup of tea. These come out really well. You can see the inside. Perfectly baked eggless apple oats cookies. I'm sure you'll really like the taste of it. Do give it a try and let me know how does it turn out for you. So friends, if you liked watching today's video, give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.